Excuse me. Sorry about that. I woke up, brushed my teeth, washed my face, but good morning, good afternoon, everybody in this world, people on my YouTube, thanks for following me. Thanks for this 509 subscribers. I'm gonna do a giveaway. You don't say, what do you want me to give away? You want a gamer card or a PlayStation Xbox giveaway? I would do that. I'm gonna tell you that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get some gift cards and some game cards or PlayStation, Xbox, Walmart gift card for the ladies out there. Victoria gift card or Starbucks or Caribou gift card. Have like $20 on fast food, restaurant gift cards, whatever. Or maybe Best Buy gift card with $20 or $45 on it. Who knows? But you comment what you want. Download in the comment what you want. It's a gift card or a gaming card you want. And the day I get them cards and the game cards, I'm gonna go online. I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna do giveaway for my people who subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for doing this for me. Help me grant 0 subscribers to 509 subscribers. I'm very, very thank you for this. But now let's get to this unboxing video. Let's go. Let's take this boy up because I forgot what I ordered. I forgot what I ordered. It's been a long time. Take the baby out the box. More heavy. Very heavy. As you can see, oh, it's an Apple monitor. So you people got laptops that's for a MacBook or Air, MacBook Air, whatever, MacBook. Yeah, just for the phone. Dang, I ordered this way a long time ago. I just not coming here. Dang. So this is the Apple monitor. For all the people who got MacBooks, this will go for your MacBook regardless, because it's Apple. You got the power cord come with it, so I'm happy about that. Also, I got the 3 USB ports in the back of the laptop, so you click your laptop to it. I thought this would have like an HDMI port, but I guess they gave me the cords for it. Yep, hook up to my laptop. Bro, I don't got them ports. I do. I got a USB port, cool. But these other ones is like for a MacBook Air or the old MacBook that did have these kind of ports right here. So here's the power cord. I'm getting this right, and this is not new. This is a 2008 Mac monitor. So let you know. So, oh, you got a new one. What about that? No, I don't care about these new digital stuff right now. I don't care about the new iPhone. This is how it look like. I wish they could make these Apple logos glow. I know you could do it, or then you gotta take this apart and make it glow. But if you just put a glow on it, it'd be more better. But yeah, you can tell it's not new because it's, you know, you get the focus on it. You can see all the little dirt on it because it's dirty. Like I said, this is not a new monitor. This is a used one. But I'm gonna turn this on. Hopefully it comes on. If it don't, then take it to a fan, get it, he'll fix it up for me for free. And yeah. All this on there, man. So that's bad, man. We'll have to see if it works. Okay, so unfortunately, my laptop works. I try to drag it over there, but like it won't go over to this freaking monitor. Like, it's just show it. The only thing it works, only one thing it works on the stupid monitor is the freaking sound. See what? It's not from my laptop. You can hear it from here. So I'm so disappointed. So I'm gonna return this package because this little monitor don't play Apple monitor or whatever. Because I'm very disappointed at that. Like, I should have paid way closer what the item said. Because it just said for parts or not work. Like, if I bid on it from the Goodwill shop online bid, I bid on it. I'm the only person who bid on it. I was like, okay, it's an Apple monitor. Okay, cool. I don't need one. I really don't. I just want to get one, then sell it, get more money than I usually get. Like, you buy stuff, then you flip the price, get more stuff, then you good. So yeah, I try to do that. But I guess I get nothing, and I don't get my money back. So I only pay shipping. I only pay like $30-some for this item. So Nikki, keep the money. I learned my lesson. If you wanna get something you really want, make sure you have enough money for it, and make sure it definitely work for that. This item I got today, it wasn't worth. I was double crossing my finger. It was worth it. So I said, okay, I got it. Boom. Hook to my laptop. Boom. Oh, it works. Okay, cool. Now take it to the pawn shop or post it on Facebook, market it, and try to sell it for double the price. I don't know how much more people will buy it for, but I was like, you get like 120 for it, whatever. But yeah, this one bad thing I ever did. Don't be like me, okay, guys? But like always, end of the video, like and subscribe. Alright, I'm out. Peace.